Welcome to Omni Corp's term insurance presentation. Today, I am here to talk to you about term life insurance and why it is a valuable asset for you and your family. Term life insurance provides financial protection for you and your loved ones in the event of an untimely death. I will be discussing the features and benefits of term life insurance, as well as the different types of policies available. I hope you will find this presentation informative and helpful in making a decision about your life insurance needs. The first type is term life insurance, which provides coverage for a set period of time, usually between 10 to 30 years. This type of life insurance is typically the most affordable and can be used to cover end-of-life expenses and provide financial security for your loved ones. The second type is permanent life insurance, which provides coverage for your entire life. This type of life insurance includes several different types of policies, such as whole life, universal life, and variable life. Permanent life insurance is more expensive than term life insurance, but provides lifelong coverage and can also be used to accumulate cash value. Now, what they don't tell you is the biggest benefit of buying term and investing. The difference versus getting a whole life insurance policy is the potential for greater returns on investment. With term life insurance, you pay a much lower premium, and the money that you save can be invested in other vehicles that could potentially yield a higher return. With a whole life policy, you are investing your money into a policy that will guarantee a return, but that return is typically lower than the returns that you could earn with other investments. Any money accumulated and untouched goes right back to the company. Also, if you do end up borrowing out of your own money, you will have to pay back an 8% interest. Additionally, with term life insurance, you don't have to worry about managing the investments, as you are simply paying the premiums and the insurance company is responsible for the investments. Term insurance is important for everyday workers because it provides an affordable way to provide financial security for their family in the event of their death. It helps replace lost income, pay for funeral expenses, and cover other financial obligations that could otherwise become a burden for the surviving family members. Term insurance is typically the most affordable type of life insurance and is usually a good choice for people who have limited financial resources and short-term goals. Thank you for watching Omni Corp Term Life Insurance presentation. Remember, term life insurance is a great way to make sure your family is taken care of in the event of an unexpected loss and cheap. Don't wait, protect your loved ones by getting the right life insurance coverage today. Contact us now through the resources on the screen. Have a blessed day.